We are at Central Instrumentation Room of Department of Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance at LG Institute of Pharmacy at LG University. Welcome to this comprehensive demonstration of FTIR QATRS IR Spirit by Shimadzu, a cutting-edge instrument that stands at the forefront of modern infrared spectroscopy.
FTIR, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, is a powerful analytical technique used to obtain the infrared spectrum of absorption or emission of a solid, liquid, or gas sample. QATR stands for Quick Attenuated Total Reflectance Single Reflection. It is a type of ATR, Attenuated Total Reflectance accessory, designed specifically for Shimadzu's IR Spirit FTIR spectrometer. Silica gel is present here to absorb moisture and get accurate results. Today we'll explore the working, benefits, applications, and a practical demonstration along with using aspirin drug as our test sample. What QATRS does. The QATRS accessory allows for direct measurement of solid, liquid, or paste sample without any complex preparations like KBr pellet formation or mulling. It uses single reflection ATR crystal, typically composed of zinc selenide or diamond, to analyze the sample directly placed on the surface. So how it works? The infrared beam enters the ATR crystal. It reflects internally and interacts with the sample through an evanescent wave. The sample absorbs specific infrared frequencies based on its molecular structure. The reflected infrared beam is then collected and transformed into a spectrum. Technical highlights of QATRS. Single reflection ATR, ideal for general purpose IR analysis. Pressure arm, ensures consistent contact with the crystal. Integrated design, fits into compact IR spirit body. Compatible with Lab Solutions IR software, automates measurement and analysis.
Principle of FTIR spectroscopy. FTIR works on the principle that molecules absorb specific frequencies of infrared light, causing vibrational transitions in their bonds. These absorptions create a unique spectral fingerprint which can be used to identify functional groups and elucidate molecular structures. Instrumentation of FTIR QATRS IR Spirit. The FTIR QATRS IR Spirit Shimadzu model consists of IR source, a stable source emitting broad IR radiation. Michelson interferometer modulates the IR beam into an interferogram. ATR accessory allows direct analysis of solids or liquids without sample prep. DLA-TGS detector ensures high sensitivity and stability. Lab Solutions IR software offers user-friendly control and spectral analysis.
Now I will introduce you to the applications of FTIR spectroscopy machine. FTIR spectroscopy machine is widely used in pharmaceuticals for raw materials and finished product analysis, plastics and polymer product analysis, environmental monitoring for air and pollutants controls, food and cosmetics for quality controls. I will explain you the difference between this machine and older model 8400S. In sensitivity and resolution, older model is moderate sensitive, but this model is highly sensitive and with DL80GS sensors. Detector type. Older machine has basic DTGS or less efficient detectors, but this machine has advanced and temperature control sensors. The software of old machine is very basic and outdated, but the software of this new machine, which is designated by Lab Solutions, is very well and good. Portability. Old model was very stationary and use only, but the new model is very portable and suitable for on-site testing, data storage and sharing. Older model gives us manual reports, but this new machine gives us digital report, PDF and Excel reports also. Now I will explain you the key benefits of this machine. It has very high sensitivity and reproducibility rate, easy to maintain and clean, minimal sample required for test, fast measurement which required less than 1 minute per sample.
Now we will take a look on how this machine works. We will open the knob and clean the lens with acetone. Acetone is used because it is a cleansing agent. We clean the lens and the ATR crystal to perform a practical for the blank scan. Now we will take a blank scan. Now we will perform the experiment using aspirin sample. Now we will open the knob and place the aspirin sample on it. Further, we will secure the knob and take the readings.
Now we will conduct the sample scan of aspirin. Here we are giving the location to the file. Now move to the graphical part. This report is generated by the machine itself. This report contains all the details around the test and sample, then the peak which is detected during the scan. All the peaks are mentioned in this table. Now I will explain the graph in a briefly manner. The FTIR spectrum of aspirin reveals several key functional groups. For example, carbon-oxygen bond stretching, which is around 1250 centimeter, which shows the presence of ester and phenol linkage, which will be somehow here, as you can see that. Then another one is carbon double bond carbon bond stretching, which is around 1600 to 1500 centimeter inverse, which is around here. Then carbon hydrogen bond stretching, which is 3050 centimeter, which is here. Then carbon double bond oxygen bond stretching, which indicates the ester and carboxylic groups present, which is around 1750 centimeter, which is here. Then the last one is oxygen hydrogen bond stretching, which is around 3200 to 3600 centimeter inverse, which is a very broad. This peak shows the presence of carboxylic acid group, which starts from here and end at this point, start at this point and end at that point.
The FTIR QATRS IR Spirit Shimadzu is an essential tool for modern analytical laboratories. Its compactness, efficiency, accuracy, and versatility makes it more preferable over the older versions. With this instrument, scientists can quickly verify molecular structures and ensure product quality.
Thank you for joining us for this demonstration. Stay tuned for more new technology insights.